Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15 SFQ. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15 SFQ isn't producing any sound, this could be due to a faulty audio board. This issue often arises from regular wear and tear, or sometimes from a power surge. If left unrepaired, it could lead to more extensive damage to your laptop's audio system, complicating the issue further. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, some tweezers, and a replacement audio board specifically for the HP 15 SFQ. Begin by ensuring your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel of your laptop. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time here to avoid breaking any clips. With the back panel removed, locate the audio board. It is usually situated near the front of the laptop and connected to the motherboard with a few small cables. Gently disconnect these cables using your tweezers. Make sure to remember how they are connected for reassembly. Now, remove the screws securing the audio board in place. Be mindful of the force you apply. Over-tightening can damage the board or surrounding components. Carefully lift the audio board from its slot. Take your new audio board and position it in the same slot. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Once it's securely in place, reconnect the cables, ensuring they are firmly attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now it's time to replace the back panel. Align it properly and press it down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Finally, reinsert the screws to secure the back panel. To check if the sound is working, power on your HP 15 SFQ and adjust the volume settings. You should hear sound coming from the speakers again. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, ensure your laptop is regularly updated and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures or power fluctuations. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.